What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here at Nice Mill Dam. Not really sure what I'm doing here. As you can see, the water is raging, and as much as I am an optimist trying to see if we can catch some fish, I really don't know if we can catch some fish with this water this high and this strong, but we'll see. It is around 50 degrees today, and other than myself, I think there is just two other guys that were trying to catch some fish. One left, he caught a small creek chub, but that's pretty much it. But our luck might change, so we'll try to see if we can stick around and try to catch some fish, hoping to catch some trout or any fish species at all. So hang in there. Let's go ahead and catch some fish, guys. We were fishing at Nice Mill Dam earlier, but the water was just so strong and the current is unbearable and keep getting snagged. Trying to see if we can catch some trout, but unfortunately we weren't able to get any bites at all. So we moved to this small little pond where I'll attempt to at least catch a few more. There were some crappie, some bluegill, some bass, some catfish here in this small pond, believe it or not. Getting a few bites, some nibbles. So we're using a red worm. Got this from Charlie's Bait Shop here in Smyrna. Let's see if we can tie some more red worm. What I do is I just pick one and try to hook it at the sack. That's where all that juices are coming from, and the fish are pretty much seeing that as an irresistible delight for them. Oh, got our first fish, folks. What is this? Small bluegill. Nice little bluegill. Gorgeous little fish. See what else we can catch here in this small little pond. We're using a slip bobber, size 6 hook in a 1/32 ounce weight with a live worm. We have it set up for about 10 feet because this part of this pond is very deep. This is actually a sinkhole in a park close to Jefferson recreational area. Got a fish, folks. Got another fish. Another bluegill. Or sunfish. wonder if it's the same fish that I caught earlier. Second fish of the day. Alright, see you later, buddy. So our gear for today is we're using a Shakespeare Catchmore fishing rod. It's a 9-foot rod with an Abu Max XD reel. We're also using a 6-pound line, monofilament line, and a slip bobber setup. We have a live worm at the end of the line on a size 6 eagle claw hook with a 1/32 ounce weight. Here's our third fish. And they seem to all look alike. It's a sunfish. There's a bigger fish. Bigger fish. Man, that's a stacked bluegill here. This is huge. It's a massive bluegill. Look at this, guys. Oh. Yeah, wait. Yeah, look at him. It's a huge bluegill, guys. It's the fourth fish. Thank you. Another one. Another gill. It's our fifth fish. It's fifth fish. And if you just want to come out here and just enjoy it, I mean, that catching fish is not that difficult, at least for today. There's another one. Another gill. And they're stacked here. Just right at this dock. And look at him. He's long. There. He's gone. It's pretty much one cast after another. I'm just not gonna take home any gills here. I mean, by the looks of this water situation, not really thinking about serving this for my family. We've been catching a lot of fish. I tell you guys, each cast there's been fish that's biting. Although small, you know, bluegills, well, some are pretty big in size, but you know, I've been enjoying it, having a blast. Each time I cast something here, a fish bites. Another one. This is fun. This is fun. I always wonder if it's the same fish that I've been catching. But this is my 8th bluegill. I'll put him over there. Launched him a different spot. So if you want to get your kid hooked into fishing, I think this is the right spot where we can really entice our kids to join us in our adventure. Definitely nothing wrong with that. It's definitely something that I would, you know, continue to do with my family, instead of just playing those video games. Might as well have fun here, you know, out in the wild, out in the nature, just enjoying stuff, enjoying fishing. So back-to-back cast. Been catching all bluegills and sunfish. Another one here. Oh shit. It was a cup filled with sand. There. Back to back, folks. Back to back cast. It's another bluegill. Oh. Another sunfish. That one snapped on his mouth. It's probably my ninth fish. Back to back cast. Another one here. Another gill. Oh, this is bigger. Definitely they're stacked here. This is freaking huge. Look at that guy. He's huge. That's my 10th fish. Probably 11th. It looks like he's back. He's back. Another gill. Man, they're huge here. Look at that chunky little gill. Twelve fish. Well, folks, that's all the time that we have left. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so yet, please hit the like, subscribe, and share button so that you'll get all the latest updates from my YouTube channel, Kayak Fishing the Mark. Have a good one. Remember, keep those lines wet. Until next time, bye for now.